हमारे शॉर्ट हैंड लैब प्रयागराज चैनल पर आप सभी का एक बार पुनः बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। यहाँ पर आप सभी को एक झारखंड और पटना सिविल कोर्ट दोनों के आधार पर एक डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड करेंगे हम। डिक्टेशन का जो स्पीड रखा गया है वो लगभग 90 to 100 के आसपास का रखा गया है, क्योंकि 80 WPM का डिक्टेशन होगा आपका। ये मानक स्पीड रहेगी और यहाँ पर आपको 90 to 100 के बीच का डिक्टेशन मिलेगा। ओके, नाउ बी रेडी। ध्यान से लिखेंगे, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पैसेज है। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। Education is a fundamental need and right of everyone now. In order to achieve our goals and help develop a just society, we need education. Similarly, education plays a great role in the national development of a nation. As we are facing a major change in terms of knowledge globally, the Government of India approved the National Education Policy 2020. This word on New Education Policy 2020 will help you learn how this new policy has replaced the National Education Policy 1986, that is 34 years old. This new policy has the aim of universalizing education from preschool to secondary level. It plans to do that with a 100% GRE (gross enrollment ratio) in schooling. The plan is to achieve it by 2030. This word on New Education Policy 2020 will highlight the changes brought in by this new policy. Firstly, the policy purposes to open Indian higher education in foreign universities. It aims to introduce a 4-year multidisciplinary undergraduate program with various exist options. Thus, this new policy will strive to make the country of India a global knowledge superpower. Similarly, it also aims to make all universities and colleges multidisciplinary by the year 2040. Finally, the policy aims to grow employment in India and also bring fundamental changes to the present educational system. The policy gives an advantage to students of classes 10 and 12 by making the board exams easier. In other words, it plans to test the core competencies instead of mere memorization of facts. It will allow all the students to take the exam twice. Further, it purposes that an independent authority will be responsible for regulating both public and private schools. Similarly, the policy aims to diminish any severe separation between the educational streams and occasional streams in the schools. There will also be no rigid division between extra curriculum. Vocational education will begin at class 6th and an internship. Now, the essay on New Education Policy 2020 will tell you about the disadvantages of the policy. Firstly, it can make the education system expensive, meaning to say admission to foreign universities will probably result in this. Further, it will create a lack of human resources. If we look at the present elementary education, we notice that there is a lack of skilled teachers. Thus, keeping this in mind, the National Education Policy 2020 can give rise to practical problems in implementing the system that is for elementary education. Finally, there is also the drawback of the exodus of teachers. फुल स्टॉप। देखिए आपका टोटल 419 वर्ड का डिक्टेशन है और प्रयास करिए, एक बार बना लिखा गया हो तो दोबारा प्रयास करिए, 3 बार प्रयास करिए, लेकिन लिखने के बाद इसको टाइप जरूर कर लीजिएगा। आपके झारखंड और पटना सिविल कोर्ट के लिए डिक्टेशन है, ओके। और यहाँ जो कुछ लिखा है एक बार ध्यानपूर्वक पढ़ेंगे, और पहली बार आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक जरूर कर लीजिएगा, ओके। थैंक यू सो मच।